Good morning. So let's start now our lesson today. Today our topic is math. Alright, so can you still remember our lesson last week? So di ba ang sabi ni teacher, skip muna natin yung page 119 and yung page 120. Alright, because today we will talk about less than and greater than. And of course, we will learn how to arrange numbers from lowest to highest. Okay, but before that, let's count the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, are you ready? Alright, so let's count them now. Let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, very good. So these are numbers from 1 to 10. So these are arranged by the lowest to highest, 1 to 10. Alright, so now pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba mag-arrange ng numbers from lowest to highest. So there are two ways on how to arrange numbers. Highest to lowest, lowest to highest. But today, we will learn first to arrange numbers from lowest to highest. Pag sinabing lowest to highest, pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamalaking numbers. Okay? So I want you to get your book and turn to page 119. Let's go to the first box or first lines of numbers. Okay, so we have here number 4, 3, 1, 5, and 2. So kanina pinabasa ko sa inyo yung numbers from 1 to 10, right? So ano yung pinakamaliit na number? Yung nauna, number 1, so that is the smallest or the lowest. Okay, so can you look at now the numbers here? Okay, so which numbers here is the lowest? So it's it's number 1. So this is the lowest, number 1. So you're going to write number 1 here. Arrange them. Okay, next. So which number is the second lowest? What do you think? Yeah, it's number 2, right? So ito yung pinakamaliit. Sumunod na maliit is number 2. So write number 2 here. Which is next? Lowest to highest. Maliit, pataas tayo ng pataas ha. So we're done with number 1. Next is number 2. Anong sunod? Of course, titingnan nyo mabuti sa kanila kung sino ang susunod. It's number 3. Okay, so what is next? Pataas ng pataas ang bilang. It's number 4. Cross out number 4 para hindi malito. And, ano na yung nahuli? The last one is number 5. Cross out number 5 and then write number 5 here. Alright, very good. Okay, so what if these are the numbers? I have number 4. I have number 3. And I have number 7. And another one is number 8. Okay, so these are my numbers. What if these are the numbers? How will you arrange these numbers from lowest to highest? Simulan mo sa pinakamaliit. Okay. Look. So we have number 8 or number 7, number 4, number 3, and number 8. Which on these numbers is the smallest one? Alin yung pinakamaliit sa numbers na to? Okay, can you guess? Look. Yes, it's number 3. So, unahin natin si number 3 sa line kasi siya yung pinakamaliit. So, number 3 is the first one. Okay, what is next? What do you think? Number 8. Number 8 is bigger, right? This is the biggest number. Number 7 is big also. So, ano yung sunod na maliit? Okay, number 4. Okay, so we have 3, 4. Alright. Alright, so look at this number. Ano kaya ang susunod dito? Na dapat pataas ng pataas yung number ha. Look, so we have number 3. So we have now number 4. Ano kayang susunod? Okay, ano yung susunod na number na pwede isunod sa number 4 na susunod na malaki? Kasi pataas tayo ng pataas, right? Lowest to highest. So number 4. It's number 7. Oh, sorry. So number 7. And the last one is number 8. Alright, wait for teacher. Tapan lang ni teacher. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is the correct arrangement of these numbers. Alright. So 3, 4, 7, and 8. Alright, so after watching this video, may papanood din ako ng video sa inyo from YouTube. You're going to watch this para mas lalo ninyong maintindihan on how to arrange numbers from highest to lowest and lowest to highest. Alright? And of course, before we go, alright, so let's go now to the greatest, greater than and less than. Pag sinabing greater than, mas malaking number. At pag sinabing less than, mas maliit na number. Okay. So, meron tayong signs na ginagamit. Kapag nakita niyo yung sign na ganito, meaning, greater than yon. Kakainin niyo or kukunin niyo yung number na mas malaki. Pag ganito naman, maliit na number or less than. Okay, example. You're going to box the correct symbol here. So we have greater than and less than here. Sino bang mas malaki, si 5 or 6? Yes, si 6, right? So dapat yung nakanganga na bibig, ito, this one. Dapat nakatapat siya sa number na mas malaki. Okay? So the correct one, and dapat ito nasa dulo, nakatapat sa number na mas maliit. And that is 5, right? So you're going to circle this kasi ito yung tamang sagot. Kasi si bibig, nakatapat sa bigger number, and yung itong nakatusok na ito, nakatapat siya sa smaller number. So this is the correct answer. How about we have number 2? So 2 and 4. So which number is the greater? It's number 4, right? So dapat saan nakatapat si bibig? Sa number 4. So ito siya, di ba? So let's circle it. Okay. So what if I have, okay, look. We have number 8 and number 7. 8 and 7. So 8 is greater than number 7. Tama ba si teacher? Greater than means mas malaki si number 8 sa number 7. So ano ang dapat na symbol na gagamitin natin? Anong symbol dapat? What symbol? So we have number 8 and number 7. Anong symbol ang dapat gamitin natin? Ganito dapat. So dapat nakatapat ito, yung nakabuka na bibig, sinasabi nila kakainin, sa mas malaking number, si number 8. At ito, parang arrow, nakatapat siya smallest number. Kasi mas maliit siya. Okay. So, laging tatandahan na yung nakanganga ay laging nakatapat sa bigger number, sa mas malaking number. Okay? So, don't forget that one. Alright? So, don't forget greater than and less than. Pag sinabing greater, malaki, less than, maliit. And when it says, arrange the numbers from lowest to highest, pipiliin niyo yung number na maliit. Palaki ng palaki ng palaki. Okay? Palaki ng palaki ng palaki. Example. Again, para hindi malito. So, I have number 4, 7, and 8. Alin ang pinakamaliit na number dito? Number 4, right? So, uunahin mo siya. So, next one. Sino bang mas maliit? Si 7 or si 8? Si 7, right? So, next natin is si 7. Okay, so huli na si number 8 kasi siya na yung pinakamalaki. Kaya nga sinabing lowest to highest. Maliit, palaki. Alright. So, next time, pag-aaralan natin to ulit. I will give a quiz on our next on our next Zoom class. Alright, so just PM teacher if you have questions. So, wala muna tayong homework sa math because we're already done with this activity on your book. Okay, so if you're not finished, you can answer now your book from 120 or your book from 119 to 120 if you're not finished. Alright, so that's all for today, class, and I hope you understand very well the class or the lessons. But I'm going to post the YouTube, the class or the lessons about this also from YouTube. So see you next time. Good night.